Starting today with continuing coverage for the next steps for abortion here in South Carolina. We've been talking about this over the last several months since Roe v. Wade was overturned by the Supreme Court.
Yeah, and obviously then that sent our local fetal heartbeat bill into effect, and now a local judge has denied a request to block the state's new fetal heartbeat abortion law. Now that means that for now, abortions are banned at 6 weeks of pregnancy. News 19's Zoe Henry was in the courtroom and has more details about what's next.
Planned Parenthood and several other groups filed a lawsuit against the state of South Carolina earlier this month. The suit is an attempt to block the current law banning abortion at 6 weeks that only recently went into effect. In court on Tuesday, Judge Casey Manning heard requests from both sides of the case. The plaintiffs, including Planned Parenthood, requested an injunction, wanting the judge to block the law while the lawsuit is heard in court. They believe the law violates the state's existing privacy law.
Your Honor, the plaintiffs urgently need a preliminary injunction to protect their patients' health and rights while these issues are worked out.
The state of South Carolina, led by the Attorney General's office, requested a transfer. This means the case would be heard by the state Supreme Court instead of Circuit Court.
There's currently legislative work in the works for further regulation of abortion in the state. We think the original jurisdiction in the Supreme Court will allow for the fastest and speediest resolution of those issues.
Judge Manning decided after a brief break to deny Planned Parenthood's request for the injunction, and he granted a transfer for the case to the state Supreme Court. News 19 spoke with both Planned Parenthood and the Attorney General's office about the results of the hearing.
Outraged. Every day that we have to wait, women's lives are put at risk, and so we came here today really believing that the Constitution is on our side. It's black letter law.
The Attorney General's office said in a statement, "This is a monumental case, and we argued to Judge Manning that it should be heard by the South Carolina Supreme Court." Tuesday's ruling means that abortion after 6 weeks will remain illegal unless the state Supreme Court rules otherwise at the end of the lawsuit. In Columbia, Zoe Henry, News 19, WLTX.
Well, a date for when this case could actually be heard by our own state Supreme Court has not been set yet. Meanwhile, there is an effort that continues at the State House to create a new abortion law that would completely ban the procedure. So again, one that would be more stringent than the law that we have in place now. Lawmakers are expected to continue this discussion, of course, next month.